Yep. What are you eating?
Down.
What are you eating?
Banana.
And you said it's a fruit? And then I said, do you know I love you?
Yeah.
Banana mouth. Okay, I'm going to turn it off. Do you want to say bye? Bye. Can you say bye?
Bye.